A for ant.
An ant is riding a bicycle.
B for bear.
Bear is eating bamboo plants.
C for cat.
The cat is yawning.
D for dog.
Dog is barking.
E for elephant.
Elephant is playing.
F for fish.
Fish is swimming.
G for giraffe.
Giraffe is a tall animal.
H for hen.
Hen lays eggs.
I for iguana.
The iguana is playing with the ball.
J for joker.
Joker shows magic.
K for kangaroo.
Kangaroos are found in Australia.
L for lion.
The lion is the king of the forest.
M for monkey.
Monkey is sitting on the tree.
N for nurse.
Nurse takes care of the patient.
O for owl.
Owl is active at night.
P for parrot.
Parrot is eating nuts.
Q for queen.
Queen Elizabeth was the Queen of England.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit eats carrot.
S for squirrel.
Squirrel eats fruits.
T for tiger.
Tiger is our national animal.
U for unicorn.
Unicorn is a magical horse with one horn.
V for vulture.
Vulture flies over the sky.
W for wolf.
Wolf howls at night.
X for x-ray.
X-ray helps to see inside our body.
Y for yak.
Yak is a furry animal.
Z for zebra.
Zebra has black and white stripes.